Okay, so we're looking at reading airline tickets. In the past, all airline tickets were paper. When I was a travel agent, yes, they were. Today, many tickets, particularly for flights within Australia, are electronic. And any of you know, you can actually travel without any ticket. You can have a printout with your booking on it. However, most overseas tickets are still printed in hard form on paper. Probably not for long, but let's learn how they work anyway. A lot of information is contained on a paper airline ticket. It's all there, you just have to look for it. All right, so if we have a look, this is basically what it looks like. So first of all, this is the airline. So it's issued by Qantas, so you know that Qantas were the people that actually issued the ticket. All right, we then have the date the ticket was printed, so date of issue, so the actual date it was printed. Then we have the passenger name, and as you can see, it's Crabtree / D Mr. So if it was me, it would be Millard / B Mrs. Okay, that's the way they do it. QF is actually, and 41, that's the flight number. Now remember, don't be confused. Carrier is Qantas, okay, so that's the airline, and they all have 2-digit codes, and the flight number is 41. But if they ask you what the flight number is, it's QF41. Okay, they go together. Then you've got your departure time, and it's a 24-hour clock. So 11:15, it doesn't have an H or a dot or anything, just goes straight, and it's a 24-hour clock. There is your fare, how much you paid for the ticket, in Australian dollars. Now that's always on the city of departure. So if the city of departure was in America, it would be in American dollars, okay? But the city of departure is in Australia, so it's in Australian dollars. AUD stands for Australian dollars. All right, so now using that information, let's answer these questions here. Let me just move my little thingy over. All right, use the information on this ticket to answer the following questions. This flight is from Brisbane to what city? Just want to see what I've put on here. Okay. So this flight is from Brisbane to what city? Please write down. Please make sure you've written worksheet 3.7, underlined it, made it beautiful. Which airline issued the tickets? Okay. What's the passenger's name shown on the ticket? And you write it from Mr. B. Millard, okay? What is the flight number? Remember, it's QF something something, all together as one. At what time does the flight leave Brisbane? How much was the fare? How much did you pay for it? All right, so pause me, finish all those questions, and then we'll go on to the next one. All right, Jenny is going on holiday. Here is a copy of her airline ticket. Let me move this Gucci thingy over here. Right. So use the following questions on Jenny's airline ticket to answer the following questions. Where is Jenny going for her holidays? So have a look. She's starting in Brisbane. She's going somewhere. Then she's coming back to Brisbane again. So write where she's going to. On what date will she leave for her holiday? So what date does she leave Brisbane? Make sure you're looking at the right one. At what time will the plane leave Brisbane? What is her flight number from Brisbane? So just talking about the first one. Jenny plans to leave her watch on Brisbane time. So she starts there. The flight will take 9 hours and 35 minutes. What time will be on Jenny's watch when she arrives in Tokyo? So I want you to count 9 hours ahead and another 35 minutes, and that's the time she arrives in Tokyo. The time in Tokyo is 1 hour behind the time in Brisbane. To what time will Jenny need to set her watch when the plane arrives in Tokyo? So look at your answer from E. It's 1 hour behind Brisbane, so you take it back 1 hour. And that will be your answer for F.